Quibblecub Hazardous, I've been watching you for a while, and I just gotta say that your vids never cease to make me smile. I think everyone would agree you deliver a flawless product 7 days a week. I just wanted you to know how much I appreciate it, so I wrote you the song, No Homo. When I saw your first video, I just had to sub and follow. I'd never seen a mic go that far. I tried myself, I couldn't even come near. Stunt, yeah, yeah. Quibblecub's got stunts for years. Stunt, yeah, yeah. All that I want is your stunt, yeah, yeah. Hazardous got stunts for years. Stunt, yeah, yeah. Keep on giving me your stunts on a bike, in a car, with a plane. Just keep it original, we don't like blame. But hell, you know that, that's why we keep on subscribing. Over and over again, I've been addicted to watching you boys get lit. Is that a bird or a plane? Now that's Hazardous, man, he ain't nothing but a hazard for the health and safety team. I dream every night I'm flying 110 in an Aston Martin. Rihanna in the passenger smiling. Then I wake up in a cold sweat crying. I need to learn how to stunt, please just give me a lesson. Then I can get a glimpse of heaven. I'll fly so high, come on and teach me, you legends. When I saw your first video, I just had to sub and follow. I'd never seen a bike go that far. I tried myself, I crashed into a police car. Stunt, yeah, yeah. Quibblecub's got stunts for years. Stunt, yeah, yeah. All that I want is your stunt, yeah, yeah. Hazardous got stunts for years. Stunt, yeah, yeah. Keep on giving me. I remember when you were on 10K, man, that feels like it was just yesterday. Ay, 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 ay. Now you're a big deal, getting bigger each day. This snowball effect is majorly gaining weight. Ay, 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 ay. So tell me what you want, where you plan to go, cause I support you and will surely follow. Quibblecub knows that all his subs got love and cannot let go, even if he starts to stunt on his baggy. Oh, 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 oh no. When I saw your first stunt video, I just had to sub and follow. I'd never seen a bike go that far. I tried myself, I smashed my face in a window. Stunt, yeah, yeah. Your views make you a millionaire. Stunt, yeah, yeah. All that I want is just.
How is that even? How you doing that?
Stunt, yeah, yeah. Views will soon be billions, yeah. Stunt, yeah, yeah. Keep on giving me your stunts till you done and you on to the next one, the next big thing, something bigger than stunting. Cause before GTA, you were so Vincy, O'Day, myths with video games. Oh, how the times have changed, but you still delivering that flawless product. I got to cut that with each stunt montage. My addiction grows larger than it was before. It's ridiculous, hazardous. Your last montage was like Walter White's crystal meth. It got me so psyched, I felt like I could be deaf. So I jumped on a bike with a band of bikers, stereotypes, leather clads with stripes, and screamed out, yo, let's go and get hype, right? Evil Knievel on the wheel with that banana peel to soup up the thrill. 20 times the eel, orange bike with white wheels, sexier than the whales on 6-inch heels. I'm about to hit a brick wall to see how far I can get on this bike. I'm aiming for miles, and then just maybe I can work with the best. Quibblecub Hazardous, you impressed? When I saw your first video, I just had to sub and follow. I'd never seen a